Hello everyone, my name is David Tucker and welcome to the course Building Features from Image Data in Microsoft Azure. Now, I am a cloud consultant and I help organizations plan, build, and implement custom software in the cloud. I have over 10 years of experience building data-focused experiences in the cloud. Now, computer vision enables insights and experiences that previously weren't possible, but it can seem daunting to know how to extract the information you need out of an image. In this course, you will learn how to leverage the tools and services provided by Microsoft Azure alongside popular computer vision and deep learning frameworks to extract relevant information from images. First, we will review computer vision and its use cases. We will also review what Azure provides to make this easier for you. Second, we will review the algorithmic approach to computer vision, and we'll review popular feature descriptors like the scale invariant feature transform and the histogram of ordered gradients. Finally, we will examine deep learning as a tool to leverage in computer vision by creating a convolutional neural network to classify images. When you are finished with this course, you will have both the knowledge and tools to build features out of your image data on Microsoft Azure.